Okay guys, I'm going to show you about the washing machine. This is the filter here at the bottom. So you open this up, and the first thing you do is you take this drain plug out, and then you get this thing, and you let the water drain into that. And then you plug it back up, and then you put it in, and then you take this out and clean it off. There's a scrub brush over there. And clean it off, and then you can use the mold and mildew from Tilex and squirt it in there. See how it gets gunky, and then I use paper towels to clean it out. I haven't run the cleaning cycle, which it will tell you every 40 washes an LED will come up. This one here, cleaning cycle, and it will light. That means it needs to go through the cleaning cycle. So that's the self-clean there. And it says you can, if you look in the instructions, you can add in bleach in the, where you put the soap. Not where you put the bleach, but only for the self-clean do that. And so another thing, every time you wash, always, and I keep a cloth here, usually on top for this, you want to dry this out so it doesn't become moldy. And so what I do is I first soak this up down here, and I peel this back and look at it and dry it out, even back there, right? See where all that is, because you don't want it to become moldy. And then I leave this open to dry out so that this is all exposed. So after I'm through washing, I put it in the dryer, but I leave it as exposed as, because the only time I come in here is to wash, and then you'll find that it completely dries out. But dry as much as you can first with the cloth. And it's better with two hands. You can hold it back and get in like that. So that's usually what it'll look like, nice and dry. And then you let it dry. And I'll even dry this off. And then I leave this hanging on the top to remind to keep it open. And then, at the very least, you can keep it like this. It even has like a little, you can keep it like that. At bare minimum, but when you're not using it, don't lock it all the way. Okay.